Hi, I'm Sean. We're going to do some of the simple healing sound set here, okay? So we just kind of get a nice loose posture here, feet underneath the shoulders, roll your shoulders back, okay? And what we're going to do, we're going to start with the sound for the liver here. So you just take your arm, your right arm, it kind of goes up, you lean to the side, and then you just do like a shoo sound. So it goes shoo. So when you're doing the sound, you're kind of feeling the vibration as the tone descends down your arm, okay? So it goes like this, into your ribs. Shoo. If you need help feeling that, you can actually bring your hand over there and see if you can vibrate your hand a little bit. Shoo. 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 Okay, we're gonna do the healing sound for the heart and the simple set. So you bring your arms up like this, okay? And you make a ha sound, like you're laughing. But it goes like this. You breathe in, ha, ha. You can also do it like a sigh. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to and kind of move through your chest here. So if you actually bring your hands here, if you wanted to practice, and you do the ha sound. Ah, there. Now I can feel it. Now I open up. Ah, they can hold the tone. Ah, ah. This is good for releasing stress, things like anxiety from your chest, okay? Okay. Okay, moving on, we're going to do the healing sound for the spleen, which is on the left side of the ribs cage here, okay? So this is good for worry, overthinking, things like that. So we come up, let our arm go up to the side here, and we do a who sound, like who's bothering me. Whoo. So what I'm doing here is I'm kind of feeling the tone descend through my body, and when it kind of gets to where my spleen pancreas areas here, I'm trying to vibrate that area, and I hold the tone if I can feel it there. So you can put your hand like I'm doing here, and it goes, whoo, whoo. Ooh. Put your hand down. Ooh. You can do about 6 of those, okay? Okay. All right, we're gonna do the healing sound for the lungs, okay? So basically you take your hands, you can put your hands like this. If that's a little hard to do, you can actually cross like this as well if you want. And the healing sound for the lungs is like you're saying, like you're kind of soothing a child, okay? And it's good for kind of letting go of like a little bit of sadness or even some grief, okay? And it's just a general benefit to the lungs, okay? And then you can also use a sound like a, so it'd be more like this. If you want to open up. You know, if that's not comfortable to do, you can also go like this. Or so a couple options there. You can have your hands crossed here or here, okay? That was the healing sound for the lungs. Okay. Healing sound is the next one is for the kidneys in the back, associated with the water element. So how we do that one is we bring our feet together. Actually, we get a slight bend in our knees. Okay, we're kind of looking down, and our hands are kind of on our knees. We're not putting pressure on our knees. We're just like kind of resting them there, and the sound is foo, foo, and so it kind of we're taking the sound, we're kind of descending it down our backs as we do it, and the visualization is like you have like a water rolling down your back and feeding into your kidney area or low back area. It goes like this. Foo, foo. And my teacher would say, like it's like you're bouncing the sound off the ground and back into your back. Foo, foo, foo. Okay, this sound is good for releasing things like fear. Okay, and gaining, kind of just reinforcing your back. Okay, we're gonna do the healing sound for the triple burner of Sun Jiao channel here, associated with the heart as well and the pericardium. Okay. But also it kind of is associated with the whole kind of line of organs kind of running through here, from respiratory, digestive, urogenital. Okay, so hands come up, they turn up, they come down, and then you do a Shee sound as you're coming down. Shee. Same movement as pulling down the sky. Jetta Shee. 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 Okay, that was the healing sound for the Sun Jiao or triple burner channel.